Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel Let's Speak in English. Today we're going to describe in detail about interjection. First of all, we have brief explanation about interjection. What is interjection? Let's we have a look here. An interjection is a word or phrase that expresses a sudden emotion or feeling. It is a short exclamation that conveys surprise, excitement, joy, anger, sadness, or other emotions. Interjections are often used in spoken language and informal writing, and they are usually followed by an exclamation mark or a comma, depending on the intensity of the emotion. Let's we describe about characteristics of interjection. Interjection express emotions. They convey strong or sudden emotions. Interjection stand alone. They can function independently without forming a complete sentence. Interjection work only as punctuation in the sentence as well, often followed by an exclamation mark or a comma. Interjection can be informal use in a sentence, commonly used in conversation, dialogues, or casual writing. Position in a sentence. Interjection usually placed at the beginning of a sentence but can appear unaware. Let's we describe about types of interjection. First one we have emotion-based interjection used to express emotion such as happiness, surprise, sadness, anger, etc. For example, in sentence, let's we have example of surprise-based interjection. First one is wow, that express surprise. Yay, that express happiness. Oops, this express mistake. And oh, this express disgust. Example in sentence, oops, I dropped my phone. This describes a mistake. Next types of interjection we have here, greeting interjection. Greeting interjection used to greet someone. For example, hello and hi, hey. These are the example of greeting interjection. Let's we have example in sentence of greeting interjection. First one, hey, how have you been? This is describe an excitement. And hello, nice to meet you. This also describe an excitement as well in second sentence. Next types of interjection we have here, approval or praise interjection that expresses approval, praise, or excitement. For example here, bravo, well done, hooray. These describe an excitement, praise, or approval. Let's we have example in sentence of approval or praise interjection. Bravo, you did a fantastic job. This expressed the praise. Next one, hooray, we won the game. Hooray described here is an excitement. Let's we describe about function of interjection in a sentence or what the role of interjection in a grammar while we writing in a sentence. First one we have convey emotion. Interjection instantly show how someone feel. Interjection add flavor to dialogue, make conversation feel more natural and lively. Interjection break the monotony that add excitement or emphasize to sentence, and interjection express reactions, immediately respond to situation or statement. Let's we have some usage tip ways should we use the interjection. First one, formal versus informal. Interjections are typically avoided in formal writing. We should not use interjection in formal writing unless used in direct speech. We can use interjection in direct speaking to someone else. Punctuation matter while we using the interjection. Use an exclamation mark for strong emotion. For example, wow. We use exclamation mark behind this. And a comma for a mild one. For example, oh, I see. So we use comma here for small stop. Oh, that small stop, I see. We should use the punctuation mark. We should be using this interjection in a sentence. And next one, don't overuse. Excessive use can make writing sound childish, look like a kid's, or overly dramatic. We should not excessively use interjection in a sentence. We should use them according to requirement in the sentence. Let's we have some example in sentence to describe about interjection. First one, oh no, I forgot my key. This express worry. And next example, yippee, we are going on trip. This expressing joy. Hey, wait for me. This expressing getting attention. Hopefully you understand all about interjection. Thanks for watching. Have a wonderful day. Give us a like and subscribe the channel as well.